Welcome to our UK factory here at Resistance Swim Spas. We are UK manufacturers of stainless steel swim spas. All our spas are made from 316 marine grade stainless steel. We can make your spa to any size. We offer our spas in a range of finishes, brushed steel or mirror polished. One of the main benefits of a stainless steel swim spa is that it will last you a lifetime. Unlike other spas, stainless steel is non-porous, which means that the bacteria won't stick to the side of your pools. The bacteria stays in the pool and gets filtered through your filtration system, leaving you with an easy to maintain, clean and simple pool. Our swim spas come fitted with a range of swim jets. One of our most popular jets is the Fast Lane by Endless Pools. Our swim spas come as deck level pools or skimmer pools. We offer add-ons such as massage jets, multicolour lights, water ballet curtains and water cannons. Contact us today to discuss your requirements and get a quote from one of our sales staff.